Happy birthday, Rayansh.
Happy birthday, Rehan.
Hi, wish you very happy birthday, Riyansh.
हॅपी बर्थडे रियांश. वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा पिल्लू तुला.
हॅपी बर्थडे रियांश. हॅपी बर्थडे रियांश.
हाय रियू, हॅपी बर्थडे. कसा आहेस? लवकर ये हा. आणि माझ्याकडून आणि सगळ्यांकडून तुला हॅपी बर्थडे. बाय.
Many many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Miss you a lot, baby. Bye.
Arya. Well, happy birthday, Riyansh.
Hi Rayansh, you've grown up so big in last 1 year, and actually I can't believe that it's been 1 year that you have been in this world. I want to wish you a many happy returns of the day, and I want you to know that everybody from our family, whether it's Sally Maushi, Didi Maushi, Vicky Mama, Ajji, Azuba, Chote Ajji, Chote Azuba, everybody loves you, and I want you to know that irrespective of your age, you'll always be the little one for us, and you'll always be loved. And happy birthday, enjoy, and I miss you, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.
हाय बच्चा, फायनली 1 वर्षाचा झाला तू. मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. आणि पटकन इकडे ये यार, सगळे वाट पाहत आहेत तुझी. बाय.